Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo me mo bibia kwa aba Melodies TV so. Menyanti yes Thursday we are ebe February 25th. NDC ebe demonstration over election petition in Sensemwa Airquay. Ama watch say you see the way things are going. Say be will be a wonim amanyosem a wonim court in Sensem proti ni chikra no beka say because nipa kono beka say adenti na NDC fo nsem na ye eboegu nipa kono mbisa say NDC fo omo asem ye da na enye de obeka say inti so ampa say NDC fo de bia applications 8 nkwa mo de ko de bia na ye eboegu nipa kono so sanso be bisa say adenti na Jane Mensa wonim say wondi bone a womba no be testify. So based on that ninti mama wati say there are a lot of doubts in the heads of Ghanaians concerning this particular election. Obi wo ha no nim say NDC for ansemo a wo mo kan say ye wi omo no ye ntro but sisi asa nipa kro no na adwenya sesa why because of insensem biga ekoso e wo social media senior propaganda being so den efemu ninti no people are believing. Now I am surprised because minim say at least NDC ne NDP there na komo nka ye ka NDP a Kunedu Ajiman Rawlings ne party no nti menyanti ye say wo mo ene NDC for ayomo adwen say wo mo be joint demonstration Thursday way 25th February no me wan say hey this is very serious not as asem no utumi hu ne say afro mo. Now let me read the article right here so that we see or we get to know the details about this particular demonstration. I say the joint committee of NDP and NDC has notified the police of a planned peaceful demonstration by the members of the NDP and the NDC and some polite society organizations CSOs in accordance with the Public Order Act. Also, the demonstration is booked for Thursday 25th February 2021 from 7:30 a.m. Also, the demonstrators will start from the Obra Spot at the Kwame Nkrumah Circle. Ghana has said there will be a demonstration and say Obra Spot on the yes I say well me Obra Spot for me nim hokra I don't know what's there but will be a demonstration and we shall see if your Obra Spot. Also, the demonstrators will start from the Obra Spot at the Kwame Nkrumah Circle and walk through the principal roads of Accra to the EC headquarters, Supreme Court, and end at Manche Agbona Park. Also, a letter co-endorsed by a founding father of the NDP, Owusu Kobia Richard, and a member of the NDC, Kobi Ramson, on 18 February 2021 stated that purpose of the march is to draw international attention to the ongoing election petition at the Supreme Court, through which former President Mahama is challenging the after effect of the December 2020 presidential election result. You know, they stated their aim or their motive clearly in this particular letter. They almost can say, almost per se, international community, abrofofo no, BBC, Nesa, Al Jazeera, and Nkrofo, almost per se, womu bem. Now womu who the air course was Supreme Court no. Sebe, no mu who say adentina de bia Mahama de asem kwani aboegu. Omo ya, senya the local community no e was say womu ni asore ka se bi mo no mo nkan tete sia no mo de to international community fo ni. Hey, it's here for asemo. But you see, I have Yebekasa. I say read the letter anywhere. I'll speak on this particular matter. Also, the group says its members have qualms about the proceedings. Group no air can say one more members no in Zambia and they've actually, you see, I like the way this group didn't want to shy away from the reason why they are going for the demonstration. Because Obi Owan Kobeka so you bet to me actually for contempt. But I like the way this group they didn't shy away for the reason. So one can pay say hey in some way because was Supreme Court no ye hu ne say sebe enkoye nti ye pese amansan ni na atibi ne ye hu ne say yes sana eko. So they stated clearly said they have qualms with the proceedings. I say Mr. Mahama as of late petitioned for an audit of a decision by the court which said he was unable to resume his case. The Supreme Court on Tuesday 16 February decided unanimously that Mr. Mahama couldn't return his case for the sole purpose of subpoenaing the star witness of the EC and using her as an adverse witness. I say, boss Justice Eninyeboa read the ruling, which cited several authorities to brace the court's position. A simple filing of a witness statement is not an election to affirm, Justice Enim Yeboah said. Now, Owieyano and Awaka say, as we've already indicated in this ruling supra, the petitioner in this application, Justice Enim Yeboah and someone Awaka na afi womo eka. Intino, the other honono, the group has made their intention clear that they are going on demonstration, and I don't know whether the police has granted them authority because Ulim say and that Menoka say there is in a way Mekano said there is a partial ban on public gathering. Actually, I say and yet really a fully ban, partial ban on a public gathering. But say a Peneman Kofu demonstration now. I'll really be surprised and it will really be interesting. Actually, I say I'll really be surprised because so share even other African countries, especially the opposition, when we imagine say one demonstration, they are being rejected because you use coronavirus. I can state an example just like Uganda. Uganda, one more opposition, the main opposition, I friend Bobby Wine. Once a way na say nanka one more yes some demonstration in Yamabi ba yakochino in the name say coronavirus aba there's public ban on there's ban on public gathering and you know Osha a lot of governments are actually using the ban of coronavirus to prevent the opposition from going on demonstration on the and other things. You know say your man Crawford will call demonstration pa I will really be surprised but then it will mean well what I say it will mean say well yeah because enya there in a way no a bit favor government no but still one more penny say ye more monko because when Ghana has say the police no you better say police for ejuma one more year independent but you and I know say the government is deeply seated in the affairs of the police and you know the other hono no so let's see how this goes. Let's see the outcome of this demonstration February 25th. Let's wait and see the turnout. But media can say I don't know whether this will amount to even saying contempt or not. Because you better say ruling in by and I say can say ruling no and because still and this is it. Me am here say me babon thing and that is exactly what and that NDC one legal member I friend Dr. Ayinio say Mamboni Dini Amofanchame. That is exactly what he has done. And then you're citing for contempt. Because court ye ball Mahama Nasem the seventh matter egu ye no unanimously no. And Obaba Ntebeka say asem na yabo egu no is marks of predetermined agenda. Because a predetermined agenda and actually say judges no one more background no one more for one more agenda that inti enya achatuchi katabeka and I won better one betie. Inti no sa asem ninti judges no asonimu for contempt. Now say me use my platform way na me beka say judges no rulings are one more ye wa makoje ademodie and na rulings on more ye corrupt ni way you bet me for contempt. So these people going for the demonstration, I don't know whether their acts will also amount to contempt or not because obviously they've stated the reasons why they are going for the demonstration and their reasons are clear. Qualms in the proceedings. If you say there are qualms in the proceedings, what are you trying to say? That the judges are not being fair. If you want to infer by inference, you can say send your Supreme Court in some kono. Womundi ni here. Just saying that to say judges no, they are not being fair. And also now our company say contempt. It is a different discussion. Sisi anu omaya yetimui. You can criticize the executive, the president. You can criticize any MP, the legislator. You can even criticize the Speaker of Parliament. But say judge be there some now criticizing no contempt. And so a democrat can say as a Imrano it has provided power to these judges without checks. Because if they are not criticism now they might judge no and then they bear the checks and balances. But for campaign for contempt. Into no and also a discussion a different day we can hold. What you say? Say Imrano, I was say yes, system. Can we criticize the judges because me kwa kasa sisi eti for mo amunim. And no, and KNUST students, nurse students are wako kan ya and that me no ka say ne busuafoɔ still wɔn hwehwɛ baabi a wɔwɔ a wɔn hu no nti ne deɛ da hɔ no monkyerɛ mo adwe wɔ comment box na matiefoɔ meda ase